Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 21st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and make sure to watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, last night in the Asian session around market open, all the dollar pairs data made another big push, all in the direction of the major trend, which is why I've been so adamant about people trading with the trend these last several weeks, because we are very clearly still in a wave three. I mean, there's no doubt in my mind this is still a wave three on the daily time frame and up. And I think it's going to go down at least minimum to the 78%. It might even go a lot further than that, putting us down to the 0.7776 area and potentially even below. So maybe now you can kind of understand why I've been so adamant about sorts. If you had done nothing but look for sorts for the last several weeks, you definitely have been doing really, really well. The only thing that would even remotely turn me into a buyer is seeing a break of this structure right here. Otherwise, anything I do see to the upside, I am going to assume is nothing more than a correction to the downtrend, and I'm going to continue to stay very highly focused on looking for sorts at the end of any pullbacks I see for the continuation of the downtrend, at least until the market tells me otherwise with some sort of a significant break of structure. And right now, my significant break of structure is way up here. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.